Well, hello everybody. It is our continuation of the Granny Square month. This is a hexagon granny square. Really easy, works up super ridiculous fast. So we're going to dive into it. I am today using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm using my scrap yarn, but it is all 4-ply acrylic. All right. Start with white. You can do a magic ring, or you can do a chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain. Okay, if you did the chain and slip stitch, I need you to chain 3. If you did the magic ring, just chain 2 more. Okay, and then in the circle you want to put another double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets. We're going to need a total of 6 of these in here, 6 sets of 2. Got 4. Oops. 6. Don't forget your chain 2 at the end. All right. And then you slip stitch to the top of that, chain 3. I just work in to just hold my yarn. All right, cut the yarn. Okay. Now we're done working these chain spaces. I'm going to hook on my yarn. You can change up the colors any way you like. Okay. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Put another double crochet right into that same stitch. Chain 2 and 2 double crochet. And then skip to the next gap and do the same thing. 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. And again, the same thing in the next one. So this is all you do for this round. And I'll meet you at the end. Okay, when you come around, you just slip stitch to the first stitch. Okay, now I'm just going to slip stitch my way over to the chain spot, just like that. I'm going to chain 3 and put in 6 more double crochet. So in each chain, you're going to put in 7 double crochets. Three, four, 5, 6, and 7. And I will meet you at the end of this one. There's no chaining between them, okay? Okay. So we just slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. Okay. And then you cut. And I'm going to use trying to find my pink, and it's a rat's nest. See if I can get it together, guys. When my yarns get low, if I don't wrap them up, they turn into a little mess for me. See if this will hold out for me. Okay. Slip knot. Now, see these 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want you to start at the beginning of the 7. On there. Chain 1. Chain 1. Now do a single crochet in the 7 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Now we're going to do an extended single crochet. We're going to go down in between these two. So go through, grab your yarn, come up. Don't pull it tight. And just finish your single crochet. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So you count 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's your 7. Make sure you start at the beginning of the 7. And do 7 single crochets again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to get rid of these tails. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's where I'm going to start, but I have to do my extended first, all the way down. And like I said, don't pull it tight. So 3, 4, 5, 7. So then we do our 7 single crochets. And 7. And then you need to do your extended down. 3, 4, 5. See how I count? I want to make sure I stay on task with these numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then we do another do your 7. And I'll meet you at the end. Now when you come around, don't forget you have to do your extended one here at the end. And then you slip stitch. Okay? Last row already. See how fast this goes? One, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Trying to find a good one to start at. Right here. Start in the first of the 7, not in an extended single crochet. Latch on. Chain 3, 2 and 3. A double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. You should be at the peak of your petal, and then what you do in the peak is you do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then you put a single double crochet in the last 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. You do not crochet in an extended stitch. Okay, that one we just skip. So then again, one double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. The next stitch, it's a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And that is it. And then you put a double crochet in the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And again, you skip that extended crochet. So you do that all the way around, and this is what you will end up with. Isn't it beautiful? I love this. This hexagon is gorgeous, and you can make so many things with it. You can make shawls and blankets and purses, and the world is your oyster with this square in particular. Well, thank you so much for watching our series this month. We have a couple more days left, but please tune in. I'm trying to find a real special one for the last day of the month. And if our videos are helping you, can you please hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom, and come join us on Facebook under WIP for Work in Progress and Chain. Maggie, myself, and Lauren, thank you so much. Until our next tutorial. Bye-bye, everybody.